Hello friends, welcome again to the world of project management and second session on planned cost management process in project cost management knowledge area. Let's quickly move to our agenda for today's session. We are going to discuss on planned cost management process. We will discuss on what is planned cost management, its ITTOs in more detail with some examples, inputs, tools and techniques and outputs. Let's start with its introduction. It's the first process in project cost management and how it defines. This process answers few questions such as how will we go about planning the cost for the project, and how will I effectively manage the project to the cost baseline, and also with respect to the control cost and manage cost variances, etc. This process involves identifying how you are going to plan, that is including estimating and budgeting and also managing and monitoring the control cost. That includes the cost of the resources also. This process answers many questions like this. Let's move to its definition. Planned cost management defines as the process of defining how the project cost will be estimated, budget, managed, monitored and controlled. The key benefit of this process is that it provides a guidance and direction on how the project cost will be managed throughout the project. Hope you understand about the definition of the planned cost management. Let's move to its ITTOs, inputs, tools and techniques and outputs. In inputs, we have the project charter, the project management plan, which includes the schedule management plan, risk management plan. We have enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets. In tools and techniques, we have expert judgment, data analysis, meetings. And in outputs, we have only one output, that is cost management plan. Okay, let's move to its ITTOs in more detail, starting with first inputs, the project charter. The project charter includes a high-level cost constraint as well as the other requirements regarding to the cost management on the project. Coming to the project management plan, which consisting of the schedule management plan and the risk management plan, which states the schedule management plan establishes the criteria and the activities for developing, monitoring and controlling the schedule, whereas the risk management plan provides the approach for identifying, analyzing and monitoring risk. Let's move to the EFs and OPS. In the EFs, that is enterprise environmental factors, we have the organizational culture and the structure, the market conditions, currency exchange rates and published commercial information, whereas in the organizational process assets, that is OPAs, we have the cost data and the lessons learned from the previous project, as well as the organizational standards and policies for estimating and budgeting. So we have covered the inputs for the planned cost management. Let's move to its tools and techniques. We have expert judgment, data analysis, meetings. Starting with expert judgment. Expertise should be considered from individuals or groups here with a specialized knowledge or training in previous similar projects, or information in the industry, discipline and application area, and also cost estimating and budgeting and earned value management. Coming to the data analysis technique, we have alternative analysis here to be used, which includes reviewing the strategic funding options such as self-funding, funding with equity or funding with debt, etc. It can also include the consideration of ways to acquire the project resources such as making, purchasing, renting or leasing. Apart from these concepts, we have the net present value, return on investment, payback period, internal rate of return, discounted cash flow, or techniques or calculations used to make such decisions. These all listed techniques will be used to evaluate whether the project is feasible within the charter, whether the measurable project objectives can be achieved. Moving to the next technique, that is meetings. Project teams conduct planned meetings to develop the cost management plan. In these meetings, participants include the project manager, project sponsor, selected project team members, selected stakeholders, anyone with having the responsibility for the project cost. Okay, let's move to the outputs of the planned cost management. We have only one output, that is cost management plan. This cost management plan is also called as the budget management plan or the budget plan. This kind of plan requires in advance about how you will plan, manage and monitor and control the project cost, etc. Project manager should not miss this plan for the budgeting. It's very important one. This plan includes few keywords like units of measure, level of precision, level of accuracy, organizational procedure links, control thresholds, rules for performance measurement, reporting formats and any other additional details. Let me explain each one in detail here. First is units of measure. Each unit used in measurements such as staff hours, days or weeks for time measures, whereas meters, liters, tons, kilometers or cubic yards for quantity measures are lump sum in currency form for each of the resources. Hope you understand these units of measure. Moving to the level of precision. It's the degree of which cost estimates will be rounded up or down. Example, 995.59 US dollars to 1000 US dollars based on the scope of the activities and magnitude of the project. It's kind of rounding the values. Moving to the level of accuracy. This both level of accuracy and the precision are needed for estimates. Moving to the organizational procedure links. Here in which the WBS, work breakdown structure, provides a framework for the cost management plan, allowing the consistency with the estimates, budgeting and control of cost. And also the WBS component used here for the project cost accounting is called as a control account. Here each control account is assigned a unique code or account number that links directly to the performing organizational accounting system. Hope you understand this level of accuracy thing and the organizational procedure links, and also I discussed the control thresholds also. Let's move to the next concept in more detail about this control thresholds only. Control thresholds are the amount of variations allowed before you need to take action. You determine these thresholds in planning while creating the cost management plan. Moving to the next keyword here, rules for performance measurement in the cost management plan. Here the earned value management rules to be used for this performance measurement. It's so simple here. Moving to the reporting formats. The formats and the frequency for the various cost reports are defined here, and coming to the additional details, the last keyword in the cost management plan, it describes few the strategic funding choices, procedures to account for fluctuations in currency exchange rates, and procedures for project cost recording. Hope you understand the keywords in this cost management plan. So we have covered the outputs for this cost management plan. This completes this session, and the next video I'm going to discuss on estimate cost process in project cost management knowledge area. Thank you guys. If you like this video, kindly subscribe it and send your feedback provided on the email given below. Please subscribe my channel, and I'm signing off. It's your Anil Kumar Dharam.